guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am very tired because I just came back right now, and and of course I have to take off my wig first of all because it's so hot and I am tired.
Mommy, what's happening?
Okay, go put it quietly on the countertop. Good job. Oh, sorry.
It's okay, Mommy. It's leaking. What?
So guys, I started off putting out all the groceries, putting them where, kind of like arranging the whole thing and putting them where they belong and just trying to arrange everything. I was supposed to film like a grocery haul, but I was honestly just so tired and I'm like, I just need to put these things away and just continue what I'm doing because I had a whole lot and we just had a whole lot of preparations to do and just for my daughter's 1 year birthday party, and I was just like over it at this point. I just wanted everything to like I couldn't wait for the day to just come and let me know that that one is out of the way. So it was just a whole lot, so I was already tired. So I'm just putting out everything, pouring the cereals in the cereal container, just putting out things. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you guys go ahead and click the red subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upload that I upload, so you don't miss anything. Yeah, you guys are going to be seeing more vlogs and more all type of content. Honestly, just let me know in the comment section. That helps as well. You let me know in the comment section the type of content that you guys like and any other type of content that you guys would love to see on my channel. I am open to that. I have a beauty channel where I do everything beauty. I haven't posted on there in a while because I have just been busy, busy with life. So I have just been so busy. So I'll try to give you guys a little bit. I feel like I want to do a little bit of beauty related, not really, but I say fashion beauty kind of thing, kind of like get ready with me, just quick makeup look and just give the mommies on here some quick makeup looks that you can teach you guys like some quick makeup looks that you can do. Also kind of like get ready with me videos. I'm trying to do that. I feel like I want to do that. I don't know yet. I've not made up my mind yet, but if you guys can let me know in the comment section if you guys will be interested in those kind of content, then definitely I will. I love doing those type of content. I just kind of like stopped posting on my beauty channel for a while because I just got so busy working and just trying to keep up with the whole social media drama and the whole social media thing. So but now I'm kind of like settling in, so yeah, I'd like to do like a little bit of beauty related, get ready with me and all of those type of content and a little beauty content. So now I am doing the dishes and just trying to clean up the place, doing the dishes. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please give me how will I know? Please watch till the end and also give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video as that helps my channel. I'm trying now to be consistent. Yes, I have been consistent and I'm happy. So I'm trying to be consistent. I am doing well with posting once a week, but which is on Fridays. I post on Fridays, but then I feel like whenever I have the time, I also post shorts, YouTube shorts. But whenever I have the chance, whenever I have the time, like if I ever have more content to post, I would definitely post like the usual 2 times a week that I do, which is Tuesdays and Fridays. So but if anytime I don't have any much content to post, like if I don't have anything out, then I will definitely do just once a week. I'm trying to do it in such a way that I don't get so overwhelmed and get burnt out already. Like I don't want to burn out again, so that makes it hard hard when you're trying to keep up with uploading so much and you have a whole lot going on in real life. And so it's just having 4 kids, of course, that's no joke. So that takes most of my time. But so I think I can be consistent with doing 1 upload every week. But then if I have the chance to, of course, I would definitely do 2 uploads. So that would work for me. I don't want to like overwhelm myself. I don't want to just do too much and then burn out again and start taking breaks, because that's what I do. Whenever I start taking breaks, then you know that I've reached the burnout stage. Like I just burned out. I'm like, okay, I just need a break. So but with uploading once a week, it kind of like gives me time, and I feel better this way. I feel doing it better this way. So yeah. But I'll definitely be giving you guys some YouTube shorts. And also, if you want to keep up with me on Instagram, I have my link out down in the description box, and you can follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I am more active on there. I am more active. Instagram is kind of like more how would I put it? Instagram is just kind of like more easy for me to follow. It's not like so complicated and all of that. It's just easier for me to be on there, chit chat on the stories and all of that. But YouTube is not like that. So YouTube is just like when you want to post longer videos, but Instagram is not like that. Instagram, you can do stories and people watch your stories more and all of that. But we're getting there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. I'll see you guys in my next video.